Hi everyone! You are on the SAS Reviews channel. My name is Ian, and today we will talk about the Playsee App review. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let's go! Playsee is a social media platform designed for travelers and locals to discover, share, and connect over experiences in various cities around the world. The app allows users to browse and share photos and videos of popular attractions, restaurants, and hidden gems in different cities, as well as connect with other users and plan meetups and activities. One of the standout features of Playsee is its user-generated content. The app encourages users to share their own experiences and recommendations in different cities, which can be helpful for other users who are looking for insider tips and recommendations. The app also includes a built-in mapping feature, which allows users to easily navigate to different locations and see what other users have recommended nearby. Another useful feature of Playsee is its social networking capabilities. The app allows users to connect with other users in different cities, join groups, and plan meetups and activities. This can be particularly helpful for solo travelers or new residents who are looking to connect with others and explore a new city. Additionally, Playsee offers a range of features to help users discover new experiences and attractions in different cities. The app includes a trending section, which highlights popular locations and activities in different cities, as well as a nearby section, which shows users what's around them. The app also includes a feature called Routes, which allows users to plan out their own custom itineraries for exploring a city. In my opinion, Playsee is a well-designed and useful app for anyone who loves to travel or explore new cities. The app's user-generated content and social networking features make it easy to connect with other users and discover new experiences and attractions in different cities. Overall, I would recommend Playsee to anyone looking for a fun and engaging way to explore and connect with different cities around the world. That was the SAS Reviews and Ian. See the link to app in the description. See you soon. Have a great day.